Hello my fellow Wojaks future Lambo owners, welcome to my meme coin. If you have any questions, be sure to join my Telegram or Discord. Best to contact through Discord. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to buy Wojak token through PancakeSwap. Let's show now. Okay, now my Wojaks, go into PancakeSwap through my link or through the browser. Be sure to make sure your wallet is connected through Trust Wallets, Multi-Wallet or MetaMask through the Binance Smart Chain. Now either paste the Wojak wallet address I have provided on my website or anywhere I have provided. Just make sure you use the address I have posted, as there could be scams out there, so be careful and make you get my address by me in my Discord, Telegram, YouTube, Reddit, the description of this video, and as said above in my website Wojaks.org. Now swap. As of the moment, big swaps won't work due to the amount of liquidity in the pool. Just do small safe swaps for now. As we grow this token, the liquidity in the pool will grow. As for the techno mix for the token is 5% added to liquidity for every transaction, 4% to holders for every transaction, and 1% burned for every transaction. And also 1 billion tokens is the max supply. The liquidity is going to be locked to further grow this token and keep it nice and stable. Time to wrap this tutorial up. And now for Wojak's message. I'm excited to launch this Wojak token for you, and to grow this and add utility to it in the future time. For now, let's launch. And finally, now my fellow Wojaks, a message for you all. This is Wojak, the owner of this new meme cryptocurrency, which in fact Wojak is the real meme of the crypto space. Am I right? The real OG of the space. Be sure to join this meme and enjoy the ride, as everyone is rich from Dogecoin. Time to get rich with Wojak, as this is just the start of Wojak meme coin, and we are here to compete with Doge, Shiba, and all the other meme coins. And if Shiba can reach Binance, why can't we? Wojak is the prime meme of the crypto space, and we are going to let Shiba and Doge take over? Huh? Yay, be sure to meme along and join the Wojak army. You are not a true Wojak if you don't buy and hold and take profits to even buy yourself Lambo. Invest responsible and put what you can afford to lose. I'm sure everyone can afford some Wojak. Surely, well, you can go balls deep with Wojak coin if you want. Anyway, time to meme and join along to all my Wojak chads and Wojaks in. Let's go. Buy early and enjoy the stonks. And my goals for this token short term is so far. But as I say, small goals at a time, but my small goals are for this token. CoinGecko listing, 1000 holders, big enough community to start my monthly or fortnightly giveaway to the best memes for Wojak token in the Reddit. That's one of main goals so far. And the rewards will be bigger in future as this coin grows. So are my 3 goals so far, but that's my main goal, to grow a community big enough so we can do monthly or fortnightly giveaways. Be sure share to everyone, even your cats, your dogs. Disclaimers. Wojak is not responsible for any losses. This is a meme coin and an investment.